Hey guys, what's up? So today I want to talk to you about the EMAX Eco 2 motors. They're really affordable motor for sure. They're definitely affordable. And what I wanted to share was I run the 2306 1700 on my 5-inch over here on this guy, and I got them and I got the V1s. Now what I wanted to share with you is these are the bigger motors here. We have 2807 1700 kV. Okay, so here's the package. I'll show you what you're going to get in the package. This is where I like to compare the 8 to the 9. Still a little blurry, but you can get anyway and into it anyway. But anyway, what we got going on is in the package, this box includes M3x10, 5 pieces of those, M3x8, 5 pieces of those. You got your aluminum M5 nylock nut, 1 piece, and then the washer and screw for shaft. For when you lose one, you have a washer and a screw for that. So yeah, that's what's included in the box. So let's go ahead and put this over here, and we actually have one that is out of the package, so I get to show you what's going on here. So first of all, what I like to notice is if you notice this piece right here, to me that makes up a bit of a difference on that bell sliding down. Let's compare it to, well, I say it stops it from sliding down, but it will help prevent it from sliding down, because you see the Xings have it, and I haven't knocked too many bells off of these. This looks like it may be a uni bell, but even on the other ones it hasn't. So here's a E motor, the Xing E motor. As you can see, it's got a little bit of help there, but not much. So I'm betting on that. I'm hoping, you know, that's going to make a big difference. Look at the thickness in the footing right there. That part is really nice. Hope it's not too dark. That's really nice, the footing onto it. If you noticed how they coat the stator, I like that, how they put that around there. It just stops like any nonsense, and it kind of looks like around the screw holes, they're pretty much clean. They're not, you don't run the screw up into the stator, if you get what I'm saying. So they're going to be marked right here, 1700, and then the stator size obviously is marked onto the bell itself. So they have EZO2 bearings, from what I've been told. I believe that's what they were. It's just a lot going on with them. I love the silicone wire, the thickness of the wires. Like I said, I've built 3 quads, including, that's 1 for me with these motors so far. A big problem I have is right here, tightening them down. Let's compare it to the Xing itself. As you can see, it's not much more real estate there. It's thin right through there, so it kind of pulls the threads out real easy. Not beating up on the Xings, just telling you what I've been through and what I go through with them. So in the package, you're going to get your 10mm screws, as they said, your 8s, your M3 nut with nylock nut with the screw. It's inside of there. As you can see, it's got a screw there, and your washer for your bell. That's going to be right here for if you damage or mess with that. But anyway, all out and out, they're nice motors. They're real smooth. They're a little bit notchy when you roll them around, but you can look how they're doing the windings in there. It's decent. I like how they have the bell here, you know, 5 points on touching the bell, because this guy here, as you can see, this is what we went through, and I feel like if they'd have separated this out and probably put a little more support, we may not have done that. So I said may not have, I didn't say we wouldn't have. So anyway, these are a set of motors for E-Drone's 7-inch rescue quad that I'm going to be building. So I just had to show them out, you know, show these guys up and get them out there. 2807 1700 kV. When you go to the 7-inch, if you're going to be doing any kind of freestyle, you can use the 2207 motor, but when you start to get, you know, really into it and all, you'll start to get some bounce backs, even with the best tuning. Like, I can tune them out. I actually have one right there flying on 2306 motors, 1700, and it flies good, no bounces and all. So you can get it out, but just from say a 6-inch and all that, I'd swear I would end the 2207 and 2306s, and then 7-inch and up I would at least go with, you know, start out with the 2807 motor. It makes a bit of a difference, I kid you not, like just the power and efficiency that's there that a lot of people don't realize. That, and they're beautiful. I mean, the coating on them, the finish is really, really, really sleek. I kind of like that. So anyway, I just want to bring this to light, show you guys about these motors, pick them up. At most of your retailers carry them. Price, I forget off the top of my head exactly what this motor costs. I know the 2306 1700 is $13.99. These cost you just a bit more, but not near as much as what the Primo name brand ones would cost you. And these things are name brand EMAX. If you look back at them, they've been here for a long time. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for a set of motors, give them a shot. I think it's like 60 bucks for a set of 5-inch motors, 2306 1700. So these guys aren't much more than that. I think you're looking at about 80 for a set, versus a name like say Xing would cost you 130 easy in this size. So check them out, guys. Again, thank you. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. EMAX multi-rotor motor. There you go.